Hey y'all, welcome to another Vlogmas video. I feel like I have not did a vlog in a minute, y'all. I've been doing a bunch of sit down videos because sit down videos tend to go quote unquote viral. Like sit down videos, how to video that's specific to one thing kind of goes viral, you know, like versus a vlog. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my face. I finally took off that dusty crusty wig and I did a silk press, so make sure y'all check out that video as well. I did show y'all how I do my silk press. So right now I just got it in like a, I don't know, just a little side part bang. But yeah, inches, okay, inches, don't play with it. But anyways, y'all, I'm actually about to film a makeup video too, a makeup tutorial. My ex-boyfriend is gonna do my voiceover while I do a makeup tutorial, so I think that's gonna be kind of funny. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn on your post notifications. But today's just gonna be like a little cook with me vlog. So I'll be cooking, y'all. I'll be chefing it up for me and Zay. I made oxtails twice before, but every time, y'all, I get mad because y'all know oxtails are expensive. Anyways, they run you about like $10, $12 a pack, and in the pack it comes with like 4 to 6 oxtails. 4 to 6 oxtails for $12. And you'll probably need like 2 of them if you're trying to feed up like 2 to 3 people, or if you want leftovers. So yeah, every time I make oxtails, I always run out of oxtails, but I'll have a lot of rice and peas, a lot of extra cabbage, extra plantains. So I said next time that I make oxtails, or you know, the flavoring, I'm going to use beef cubes. So the same thing that we use for beef stew, it's like chunks of beef. I mean, oxtail is a beef oxtail, beef stew. I think it's just more so how you make it. So, like I said, y'all, it's gonna be my first time trying it. So I'm gonna use stewed beef, but with oxtail seasoning. So I'm gonna season it like it's an oxtail. That way it has that oxtail flavor. I'm still gonna make rice and peas, Jamaican or Caribbean style. I'm gonna make me some fried plantains. I was gonna do macaroni, but I don't feel like doing that tonight. Like I said, y'all, I got another video to film, so I think that will be good enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season the meat because I want it to marinate for like an hour. That's why I picked up the camera. But I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing, because y'all would have been like, what? Beef stew, beef cubes for what? But like, what do you call oxtail seasoning? Like, I don't know, y'all. The oxtail seasoning is more flavorful than beef stew seasoning. So anyways, y'all, let's get into it. And y'all, okay, y'all, so this is the ingredients. I have the stewed meat, coconut milk for the rice. Caribbeans, they cook their rice with coconut milk instead of water. I got some white rice, red beans. I got some browning seasoning, which is for gravy, stews, and stuff like that. And then I got 3 plantains. I also got this as well. It's an oxtail seasoning, but I'm also gonna be just adding a little bit of my extra seasoning as well. So let's get into it. So brown our stew a little bit before we slow cook it. So you want to get that oil nice and hot. you guys, so now that we have the onions and bell peppers in there, you want to fill with water. Probably about 3 cups, enough to cover them because you want to slow cook them, stirring occasionally because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. So I put it on a medium-high heat. It's gonna come to a boil soon, so I'm gonna let this simmer for about 2 to 3 hours. Then you'll put the lid on and let that simmer. All right, you guys, so it's been about an hour, maybe 2 hours now. It smells really, really good. So what I like to do, just to see if it's done, I'll try to like break it. So it's hard to do it with one hand, but still a little tender. But can y'all see how it's like breaking? Probably about 45 more minutes and that'll be done. Also, you want to just taste your sauce. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some cornstarch in here mixed with cold water just to thicken up the sauce. But this would be a good time to taste your gravy. See if you need a little bit more ingredients, maybe more salt, soy sauce, anything to your liking, thyme. Sometimes I'll put bay leaves in, but this would be a good time to taste your gravy before you put the cornstarch in. Go ahead and start on the rice and beans. So I'm gonna do about 3 cups of rice. I meant 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. So since I'm doing it Caribbean style, I'm gonna do like 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of water. And since these beans are already cooked, I like to get some of the juice from the can to give it a little bit of color. 1 cup of liquid. That's 2. And we do 1 cup of water. 1 full cup of water. So that's 3 cups of liquid. You can also put your beans in there now. I'll go ahead and add my beans and mash them. You're gonna let that come to a boil, then you're gonna get your 2 cups of rice. Also, for your rice and peas, you do want to season it a little bit. So I like to just use adobo all-purpose seasoning. Once again, y'all, I'm not Caribbean, but I believe Caribbeans, they use Scotch bonnet pepper. They use like fresh thyme and stuff like that, but I don't have that, so I have to use what I have. Just gonna put some butter in there. Come to a boil, then we will add the rice. It's looking so good, y'all. Like, look at that. It smells really good too. I forgot to mention, y'all, I forgot to add thyme. I do not have fresh thyme. I did add some that I had, but that's why you'll see like the little flakes in there. So that gives it some good flavor too. Rice is ready to be added. I'm gonna add 1 cup of rice. I dropped this. Since when you started drinking soda? Since when you started drinking soda?
Grandma.
You guys, so while we have the stew and the rice cooking the last 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get these plantains ready. These don't really take long at all.
Where you going? Oh, you going to the karaoke thing?
No, I just did the video.
Oh, you just did the video for you not to go nowhere?
Yeah.
50 p.m.
I know. Well, the food just finished, so.
You finished cooking at 10 p.m.
I know. Do not judge me.
This is the time where you drink tea and wind down and go to sleep.
I know. I'm tired.
Cause if you were my best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around with me. Could I be your best friend? I promise, boy, you'll be mine. Oh, baby, cause if you were my best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around with me. Could I be your best friend? I promise, boy, you'll be mine. Oh, baby, cause if you were my best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around with me. Could I be your best friend? I promise, boy, you'll be mine. Oh, baby.
You record you cooking now?
In my vlogs. Alright, y'all, so I got the oil heating up. Fry these plantains. I think I could put these down with my hands. Ooh, yep.
How old is Zay?
He's 5 now.
He's 5. So 5 years ago.
5 years ago what?
We was together 7 years ago? 5? No, it was not 5.
2016, I think, yeah.
God damn it, bro. Time flies.
I know, right? Okay, there we go.
At this point, you're a full-time content creator.
Every day,
That's how you
every
know you
second.
made it, bro. You're recording everything.
No, literally, it's a struggle. We're gonna smash these because I got the wrong ones. I was supposed to get the yellow ones, which are softer and sweeter, but I got the green ones, so these gonna have to be potato chips. Not really potato chips, but it's hot. Maybe I should have let them cool off a little bit, but we don't got time to waste. After you cut up your plantain and you smash it, you want to fry them just until they're have a little golden color. You don't want to burn them. And then we're going to take them out and sprinkle them with some salt, and they'll be ready to go. Hey y'all, sorry it's dark. Y'all won't believe what time it is. I'm gonna tell y'all. It's 11:45. I started cooking at maybe 9. So freaking behind. I don't know why I started so late. Honestly, today went by so fast, y'all. I was off today. Today's Thursday, by the way. Woke up early because I had to get Zay ready for school. Then what happened? I was editing my Miami vlog, which will be up obviously now. So make sure y'all check that out. I was up editing that. So really that was like 24 hours worth of footage. But I did a lot in Miami, so it required a lot of editing. So I was doing that all the way up until like 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock I went to pick up Zay. After I picked up Zay, I went to the grocery store. I went to Walmart first. Walmart didn't have cabbage. Is that new or is it always like that? I was like, what the heck? I was like, everything was showing lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. I'm like, okay. So then I had went to Bravo. Then I had got this, y'all. I got the jerk chicken seasoning. Not for this meal, but just for in the future. It fell off the counter. I think it's because I'm cooking so late that I'm just really clumsy right now. It just happened like not too long ago when I was frying the plantains. But I was like, I gotta eat first. I got a headache. I've been cooking all day. I've been running and ripping all day. And just the fact that I have to clean up the kitchen. But it's like, dang, I cooked, now I gotta clean. Like, I'm just gonna put everything in the dishwasher, in the sink, and then I'm just gonna deal with that in the morning. But now I actually do have to like, it's like a marinade, so it's thick. I wonder if I can like scrape it on, like get like 2 paper plates and kind of like scrape it. That might be the best thing versus like a sponge or a paper towel, because it's just gonna be like a big mess. So I gotta do that, and then I gotta sweep this area because it's like a bunch, it was like little pieces of glass now. I'm so exhausted, but the food is really good, y'all. It came out really, really good. Y'all probably can't see. Everything is so soft and good. The rice came out beautiful. The stew that's seasoned like oxtails came out beautiful. So I definitely recommend y'all making this. So it's really good. You sprinkle a little bit of salt on them. Real good. I'm too tired to make the cabbage. I'll make it tomorrow when I eat for lunch. I got so much food left. I'm gonna start handing out the plates. Y'all probably don't want to hear me talk. I'm just so tired, y'all. So freaking tired. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this little vlog. Cook with me, you know, cooking with your girl, trying new things. I also want to try Indian food too. I'm not gonna cook it myself, but I do want to try it. I'll vlog that when I do. And yeah, if y'all like these cooking videos, I mean, I am no chef, but I like recording everything I do. So hey, it is what it is. You made it this far. I love you, and we are like this okay? Cause I love y'all. Anyways, y'all, I'm talking too much. Bye. Gotta go. Gotta eat and clean up this kitchen. Bye.